Hi, my name is Janice Majors, and I had gotten to the point, let me go back. I was in a car wreck back in '81, and I have been in and out of therapy ever since then. I was in the hospital 40 days, missed 2 years from work, and it's just been a long road, and I just felt like I was going nowhere. I was going right back, and I was getting back to the point I felt like I was going to be in a wheelchair or in my grave in 5 years. And I had come to the point something had to be done when I saw his ad, Dr. Barlow's ad in the paper. And I told my husband, I said, let's go to the seminar and hear what he's got to say. And that night, I made up my mind that my health was worth what I was going to go through with him, and it has been worth it ever since. My numbness in my feet and my neuropathy, I don't have very much of that now. My tingling down my arms and hands is gone. I don't have the hurting in my shoulder anymore. I'm off of pain medicine. I know I'll never be perfect since my car wreck, but I'm going, and I don't feel like I'm going to be in that wheelchair in 5 years. So I'm planning on keeping on going.
I would agree with you. And could you tell everybody, Ms. Majors, after you got your first injection, approximately how long would you say it took before you go, wow, this might actually help improve the quality of my life? How long did that take?
It took a couple of weeks,
okay.
And I could tell a difference. And of course, with the therapy that I'm doing here in the office too, has been wonderful. This has done me more good than anything I've done so far.
Okay, so this is almost going into 2019. You had a car wreck in 1981, is that correct?
Yes,
and this
November.
This has done more for you doing the stem cell therapy,
yes,
therapy in our clinic.
Yes.
Okay. And
yes.
So if anybody that that's watching this video that has numbness in the hands, numbness in the feet, been through a car wreck, thinks that there's no help, I mean, just what would you tell them?
I'd tell them to try it. You hadn't got anything to lose by it, and your life is worth it.
And you've seen a lot of people in here that this has helped, so you're not the only person.
I was thoroughly amazed at how many people are coming through here, and then the results of what they're telling me that they are getting. And of course now I can see it myself.
Yes, ma'am. And I want to thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.